Everyone knows that it's not how you start a school year, it's how you finish it. All that matters is that letter you get on your report card when all is said and done. As long as I don't fail, I've accomplished my goal. That goal used to be easy, but my new teacher, Mr. Walsh, is making this goal more of a challenge than a quick race to the finish. Mr. Walsh had a horrible reputation at the school. He was known for ruining hard-earned grade point averages with his long list of weekend homework assignments. His smile doesn't fool me. If anyone thinks that smile is out of pleasure, they're kidding themselves. And if having to deal with Mr. Walsh isn't enough, I also have to deal with Sarah Shelley to ruin any chance of a good day I may have had, if it weren't for our history. Sarah Shelley, who I've given the nickname Smelly Shelley, has always done better than me in everything. Whatever I do, she somehow one-ups me. And Sarah doesn't go quietly either. She'll brag and make it known that she can do whatever the task is better than me.
All right, clowns. I graded your quizzes. Good job, Sarah. Another A.
Thank you, Mr. Walsh.
You're one of my best students.
Another A+. And this one was easier than the last one.
You failed your test, John. You are a failure, and you need to improve. You need to study if you want to pass this class, but I don't think you're capable of it because I think you're an idiot. And quite frankly, I think you're never going to go anywhere in life because you're just trash. You are the trash behind the Burger King and the dumpster. That's you. You're a piece of crap. John, you're a piece of crap. That's who you are. You are a big shit. You are a shit. You are a little, no, you're a big shit. You're one of the biggest shits ever. And you're, I feel bad for your parents, quite frankly. I'm surprised they haven't jumped off a bridge. All right, guys, we're going to be going over the tests.
Most mischief makers master their craft earlier than I have, but I'll match their abilities and make a great paper airplane. I'm determined to.
What? Does this say what I think it says? This is John's test. John. What is this, John?
Good advice.